Hey guys, it's Sophia and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Optimum Smoothie Blender, and this is what it looks like, and I will insert a picture here. So I am going to be making a smoothie with it today and reviewing it for you guys. So yeah, I'll leave all of the details down below, and also don't forget to subscribe down below and like this video, and let's go. So what you'll need to make this raspberry smoothie are 2 bananas, and I'm going to be making a smoothie for 5 people, 1 egg, some raspberries, some milk, and then just some plain Greek yogurt. So I've taken the lid off the blender, and basically I am just going to put all of the ingredients in now. So now I have put all of the ingredients into the blender. I have just put it onto the base of it, and now I will actually bring you guys down. So now I'm going to put this, basically just turn it in between the 3 and 4 down here. When it has finished being blended up, it should look like this, and now I'm going to get the cups up and you're ready to drink your smoothie. So I'm going to put my smoothie into this little jar, so I'm going to pour it in now. Okay, so this is the finished result. And it tastes so good, so just look in the description box for all of the details for that blender, and don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next week for another video. Bye!